Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this Adobe Spark course. In this lecture we are going to see how we can create a new different type of graphic for our marketing activities or for personal purposes, and we are going to see how we can create a cover photo, which is something that we can use for our Facebook page, for example. Okay, so we are going to see how we can create a cover. Now bear with me for a couple of seconds till the editor is loaded. This is how it's going to look like. As for the designs that you have previously seen and that we have previously created, you will see that it's very similar. Again, what will be different are the designs, variations and templates, and also the way we can change the layout. Now let's select something different for this one, like this banner type of layout. Okay, and now let's see what type of designs we have. And we have a few very interesting variations. Okay, now let's select one of them, and let's say that we like this one, Civil Rights Day. Okay, we are going to select these templates, and this is how it's going to look like. As you can see, our layout has been changed because now it's in accordance to the template itself. Okay, so we have different options here that we can change, okay, like the text styles, the icon and everything else. Okay, you already know how we can edit the other effects of the text and of the elements, and this is pretty much it. Now let's give it a name, test 1, cover. Okay, and then we can download it, share it, or do whatever we want with the image. Thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in our next lecture.